5 defense attorneys for LA County are still planning their next moves after yesterday's huge verdict in the lawsuit brought by Kobe Bryant's widow.
Fox 11's Phil Schuman is live in downtown LA with how the plaintiffs won that case over unauthorized crash photos. Phil.
$31 million to be precise. It's likely we have not heard the end of this emotional civil rights lawsuit that was filed and won by the plaintiffs in federal court in downtown Los Angeles. At least one prominent trial attorney here in Southern California believes the defense, Los Angeles County, has very strong grounds for appeal. In this new downtown LA mural, Kobe Bryant's image is larger than life.
Thank you so much.
Just like his reputation.
He was like my mentor, idol.
For Chantel Robinson and so many others, the jury awards bittersweet.
Getting for justice for the Bryant family and just everybody else that passed in the crash is nice, but you know, it's kind of like unfortunate as well.
Vanessa Bryant's only made one comment still on social media, calling it justice for Kobe and Gigi. Today, one attorney who followed the case had a much different description.
This really is a groundbreaking jury verdict, not only in California, but across the country.
Groundbreaking, says attorney Brian Claypool. Why? Because the gruesome crash scene photos were, as the county argued, never seen by the families or the public. So worry over something that might happen in the future, Claypool says, should not be grounds for a legal judgment today.
I wouldn't be surprised if the County of LA appeals this verdict based on the argument that the trial judge should not have allowed the jurors to award emotional distress damages to the plaintiffs for something that has not yet happened.
But clearly, jurors swayed by a key part of the plaintiff's closing argument, a Bryant attorney telling them, the truth is, the county has no idea who had the photos and who they sent them to. That seemed to mean the emotional distress was not theoretical, but very real. So will the county appeal? No further comment today. The outside counsel hired by the county simply saying, we will be discussing next steps with our client. And of course, Alex and Christine, any judgment and, of course, the fees from this outside counsel all paid by the taxpayers. The county would have 30 days to decide whether to file a notice of appeal. If it's unsuccessful or if it doesn't happen and the Bryants and the Chesters get the money, what would they do with it? Obvious speculation is that it would go to the Mambacita Foundation, started several years ago by the Bryants. The attorney has confirmed that to the LA Times today. I have calls out to him. He's not yet called me back. But, of course, all that is down the road. What typically happens in these high-profile cases that there's a negotiated settlement to avoid an appeal. Live downtown, I'm Phil Schuman, Fox 11 News.
And usually that takes a while. Phil Schuman, thank you. Mixed